Hello friend, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic linear differential equation with variable coefficient Legendre's type. Let us solve one more problem. Solve 1 plus x into d2y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx and is equal to 1 plus x raised to 4. Here the second order derivatives multiplied by 1 plus x variable coefficient dy by dx without any variable coefficient, and as it is multiplied by variable coefficient of the type ax plus b, a given equation is in Cauchy's form. Only we have to multiply this throughout by 1 plus x. Therefore, given differential equation is 1 plus x into d2y by dx square minus 2 times dy by dx and is equal to 1 plus x whole raised to 4. Multiplying by 1 plus x throughout, therefore we get 1 plus x whole square d2y by dx square minus 2 times 1 plus x into dy by dx, and right hand side after multiplying by 1 plus x it becomes 1 plus x raised to 5, and we call this as equation number 1, and that equation 1 is Legendre's form. And as it is in Legendre's form, we use that substitution, standard substitution, to convert it into differential equation with constant coefficient. Therefore, put that 1 plus x as e raised to t using d is equals to operator d by dt. Transferring this to, we get the value of t as log of 1 plus x we have the value of 1 plus x into dy by dx is a dy, and that is equals to the value of a is here coefficient of x is a 1, therefore it is 1 into dy. Okay. Second, 1 plus x bracket square into d2y by dx square as a square d minus 1 into y. Once again substituting the value of a as 1, therefore 1 square is 1 into d minus 1 into y. Substituting this in equation 1 becomes therefore this term we replace by this, it becomes d minus 1 into y minus 2 times 1 plus x dy by dx is dy, and that is equals to 1 plus x raised to 5, but value of 1 plus x is e raised to t, and that raised to 5, and therefore simplifying it further we get d square minus d minus 2d into y is equals to e raised to 5t. We get the equation as d square minus 3d operated on y is equal to e raised to 5t. Second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. And to obtain its solution, we require to find CF and PI. And to find CF, its auxiliary equation is d square minus 3d is equals to 0. Taking d common from this, we get d minus 3 is equals to 0. Equating each to 0, we get d equal to 0 and d minus 3 equals to 0. It gives you d equals to 3. Therefore, roots are 0 and 3, real and different, and therefore complementary function is c1 e raised to 0t plus c2 e raised to 3t, equation number 3. CF for that linear differential equation. Then next part, particular integral, PI part, obtained by that inverse operator technique, 1 upon d square minus 3d. Which way to operate on this e raised to 5t? It is of e raised to ax type of term, and therefore applying the rule where we have to replace d by a and the value of a is here 5, we get 1 by 5 square minus 3 times 5 and into e raised to 5t. Therefore, it is 1 by 5 square is 25, 5 3 is 15, e raised to 5t. 25 minus 15 we get 10, and therefore it is 1 by 10 e raised to 5t. We call this equation number 4th, a required PI. Then we combine this with CF to get the complete solution, and the complete solution is CF plus PI, equation 3 plus equation 4. And complete solution is always for the dependent variable. Dependent variable is there y. CF is C1 e raised to 0 is 1 plus C2 e raised to 3t and plus PI 1 by 10 e raised to 5t. A required solution. It is the relation between dependent variable y and independent variable t, new independent variable t. Original equation is in terms of x and y, therefore we again convert it into x and y, and therefore it is c1 plus c2. The value of e raised to t is 1 plus x, and that raised to 3, and 1 by 10 e raised to 5t means e raised to t and raised to 5, but e raised to t is 1 plus x and raised to 5, where that 1 plus x is e raised to t. Using that is the required solution of that given differential equation, which is in Legendre's form. One more I will discuss in my next video on Legendre's type. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates or new videos. Thank you very much.